managing VirtualBox VMs and need to restore from a VBB backup. These are backup archives from Veeam Backup for VirtualBox or related backup tools. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access and restore these VirtualBox backup files. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single VBB file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. A VBB file is a backup created by Oracle VM VirtualBox, a popular virtualization software. This file contains a complete snapshot of a virtual machine state, including its settings and virtual hard disks. Users create VBB files to safeguard their virtual environments or to migrate them to another host system. The VBB format is a proprietary archive, likely using a container structure similar to tar. It bundles multiple component files, e.g. VDI disk images, VBOX settings, into a single, compressed package. This design facilitates portability and simplifies the backup and restore process for complex virtual machines. The recommended application from Oracle for handling VBB is unequivocally Oracle VM VirtualBox. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows typically offers minimal insight into these files, so specialized software is required to access the stored information. The initial test: right-click the VBB file and choose Open With. If Oracle VM VirtualBox is installed, test that first. If it's not present, choose another program. Don't worry if it fails on the first try. If you still can't open the VBB file, it's okay. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, restoring with Veeam. Launch Veeam Backup for VirtualBox or Veeam Agent and connect to the backup repository containing VBB files. Use the Restore wizard to select the desired backup point and target restoration location. Veeam decompresses the VBB content, reconstructing the VM with full disk data and configuration ready for VirtualBox import. Next, mounting for file recovery. Use Veeam's file level recovery feature to mount VBB files as virtual file systems without full VM restoration. Browse the mounted backup using Windows Explorer or built-in file browser to extract individual files. This approach recovers specific data without provisioning the complete VM and its associated storage requirements. Finally, verifying backup integrity. Run backup verification jobs in Veeam to validate VBB file integrity through Sure Backup or Test Restore operations. The verification process confirms backup files can successfully restore, protecting against silent corruption. Schedule regular verification to maintain confidence in disaster recovery readiness across all backed up VirtualBox virtual machines. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.